It's time for hands-on learning words. In so many classes, teachers feel like a lecture, a set of instruction or 2x explanation is in order first. In many cases, that spoil the fun. It's kind of like telling what's going to happen in a movie and then watching it. Give students opportunity to become designers. The maker movement and design thinking are hot topics in education right now. And for good reason, designing, creating, changing, iterating, improving, they're all good for the brain. I found students like to create their own brochure, especially when they can do it online using all the software now available. Example brochure for tour or concert. It sparked their creativity while picking up persuasive language to promote their product. At the same time, I got their peers to provide feedback. Another one is train them to do research. Make them research for an interesting piece of news and presenting it to the class exactly like a news reporter. Very interesting, isn't it?